Oh no, I have a chill Zelda playlist. To be fair, a lot of Pokemon songs are energetic too. It's just the Nintendo thing, you know? It's just like the Nintendo. Hmm. Right. I finished my cereal. We're done. Cool. So if I just well so Dex has a thing to work with. Let's try it out. Dex passed me. Do I have the what was the other one called? We don't have the cup, right? Adorable star if you want to use it for anything. That is a really cute star. What the hell? That's a really cute star. Bun brew. All right, so let's try bun brew. Bum, bum, bum. This one's 37. Bun brew. Spicy? This one's gonna be bitter. Common. And then we'll give it a little, like, you know, just a bit of just a bit of balance, you know. Neutralize debuffs. Let me see. Poke Sleep. It's gonna play the Jigglypuff theme and everybody's gonna fall asleep. Actually, wait, hold on. Those are really good playlists. Are you cooking from the heat? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. How you doing? There's one playlist that I like a lot, and it's this one. It's from Pokemon Dungeon, if you've ever heard of it. It's also a little bit low. Wait, hold on. I've never even played Pokemon Dungeon, but, like, it's nice. Do you like your bun names? Yeah, I do. You had some of them. You had some of them. You had some good ones in there. Hold on. Blum, 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 blum. The link in chat, I'll drop it right here. Give me a second. All right, there we go. All right, so we have Bun Brew as the new Excel as a spreadsheet. We have taken this. We have taken this to the next level. TXT. Card data, TXT, yeah. All right, there we go. Ba-doom. Okay, fine. And there we go. All I need to do is plug in a picture, and then Bun Brew should be next. And this is the merit of the system that I'm trying to use right now. This is the merit. Is it not letting me drag it in? Let me drag in the picture, please. Why is it not letting me drag in the picture? What the hell? Card art, bun. Oh, it's already in there. I'm just an idiot. Okay, that's fine. Generate map maps. Just make sure everything has map maps on it. Yeah, this one's a really good one. Oh, okay, it broke. It broke. Why did it break? There could always be a few problems. Skills that have neutralized debuffs. Oh, these are optional ones. Okay. So what I could do, yeah, because these don't necessarily have all the stuff here. I have motivation to update my blog. There you go. Beautiful. So what do we do if let's go to, what is this? This is card manifest. So this is our little database loader guy. It's super slim, but it builds all the cards essentially. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm probably gonna have another spreadsheet, which is gonna be like the stats for the cards. And that way it'll be easy to just like spreadsheetify and like tune stuff through just through a spreadsheet. So my issue right now is that I'm splitting this, and if these two indexes, like they don't have anything. So I need to check the length of the... This would be index... If skills dot length... no. If skills, not skills, if calls dot length, the size... Let me pull this in, actually. Can I just make a smaller function, just return? No, I'm just gonna do this. If scales that size is greater than or equal to, what is it, 7? 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Then we do this, and then we do this with 8. Okay? That's it. Why is there a colon there? Get out of here, colon. Nobody wants to see your colon. Nobody wants to see your colon. All right, and let's see. We should have Bun Brew. There it is. Look at that. It just loads in. Beautiful. I don't load the skills currently, but I should. But this is pretty awesome. I love the way that this is working. I don't load the stats or the skills, so stats and skills. Let's add that on the list of to do. This is technically kind of done. Resource hookup for handling cards. Yeah, that's technically done as well. Finish the skill tree day and night cycle. So I'm gonna add a new card, and then this one's gonna be what was my thing? It was skills and stat loading on the cards. Beautiful. Skills and stat loading on the cards. All right, there we go. Let's do that. This should be fairly quick. I need to include stats on the cards though. Blum, 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 blum. And the question is, where do the stats come from? So now we have we'll have two sources of truth, I guess, for the helpers. There's going to be the card, and then there's going to be the helper itself. And I need a single source of truth on these guys. But for now, I could just put the information in the card, I guess, which I don't like too much. Actually, wait, hold on. Where's my helper at? Helper. Everything could just be loaded from the card information, right? Because this is gonna have everything, I think. Helper GD states. So this has helper data, I think. Okay, cool. What's mini texture path? I don't even know what this is anymore. Let me check what that actually is. Hold on. Bloom, 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 bloom. The nice thing is that these don't have to be resources anymore like this. The only things that need to be resources are like templates and stuff that I can build off of. The data itself will just sit in a spreadsheet. And you just load into classes, and then I feel like I'm programming a little bit more now too. Boo-doo-doo. Bloom, 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 bloom. Let's go to helpers. There. There you are. Wait, there's no data in here? Really? Hold on. Poco. Oh, I have a mini version, and then I have a Voodoo Bloom active mini. How are you liking Godot so far? It's pretty good. I mean, I don't really have experience with like other game engines, so I've used Unity a long time ago just for a little bit, but I felt like it was kind of convoluted. Godot also felt a little difficult at first, and still, you know, there's some stuff that still feels a little difficult today, and there are some bugs here and there, but like, I feel like it's way easier to pick up. And it's just, it makes me realize more and more that it's not the engine that's the problem, it's just my lack of knowledge in the game dev field that's been the limitation. Because like a lot of these different engines kind of do similar things. It's just you need to know the terminology. Like, for instance, I was just like, I don't know how to make my from a distance, I don't know how to make my graphics look good, right? And that's just because doop, 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 doop. You have a little something. We have a little something called mip maps. That when you zoom out, it blurs them out. And if you generate these, it takes more VRAM, yes. But it blurs them when you're further away. So that it doesn't look super like weird. But I don't know if this is getting mip mapped correctly. Hold on. I can see the text is. Absolutely. The text is blurring. That's kind of the effect you want when you're zooming out. You don't want it to look like super tiny and weird. Yeah, so I think that this is not getting map. It should look slightly blurry when you zoom out, but it is not. Yeah, it's just that. Besides that, the engine's good. You can use whatever editor you want with it. You got a little bit of NeoVim over here that I used to edit it. Oh, by the way, I forgot. We need background game. Should we continue the Deltarune playthrough that we were watching yesterday in the background? We could do that. Yeah, we could do that. Let's do that. Alright, cool. Anyway. I do need to figure out why this is not mip mapping, because that's kind of weird. Could it perhaps be because... Could it perhaps be because... Oh, what's this? What was that? That was weird. That was a weird glitch. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's mip mapping. I'm gonna use a different card for one of these. Hold on. I'm gonna make sure that one of them is mip mapped and one of them isn't. Bloom, 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 bloom. Dex. Oh no, it changed all of them. Uh-oh. Coco, okay. Unlink and do... Wow, okay, why is it changing all of these? That's insane. See, like, right now, I don't know why this is happening. This is kind of weird. But alright. Alright. If you say so. Let's do a different savory one. Let me check the pictures I have. I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna close it. Menu 2. I need to stop calling this one menu 2. It's not good. Bloom, 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 bloom. Or what I could do is I can load one as copy, duplicate. I'm gonna move this over here too. Boom, boom, boom. Go in there. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Bloom, 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 bloom. Bloom. So this picture, I'm gonna turn off mip maps because this one is looking kind of weird. I'm gonna ungenerate the mip maps and see how they look at a distance. They look the same. Wait, do they? No, they don't, actually. They don't. They do look a little different. These are keeping the eyes and these are not. So I guess the mip maps are working. It's just, damn. Boom, 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 boom. Let me check window. Let's do full screen. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I think it seems alright. Yep. Maps. Alright, let me just delete this one. We'll go back. So what I kind of want to do on this one as well is also generate the actual things here. Right? I want to actually load the cards here on these pages. So this will load 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. All right, 3 times 6. So this will load 1 to 18. So I'm gonna have to page this. I'm just gonna, for now, I'm gonna add 2 buttons. Button. Previous page. And then another button. Next page. Whoops. Why is that like that? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Okay. So I'm going to have these buttons, and they're going to go to the next page or previous page. And then I'll generate everything that's on... Yep. And I'll need to have this kind of data in here. So custom minimum size, I'll have to keep track of. This one I don't need to do anything with. I'll just have the custom minimum size, position. Why does position need to be over there though? $530, $781. Stop. 530, 781. You're clearly bigger than you need to be. Your max size isn't working. Oh, is it because it's times 0.265? So 530 times 0.265. Yeah. 781 times 0.265. Beautiful. Boom, boom. So that doesn't do what I want it to do. Not at all. So if I want to scale down this card, I really just need to do this. And how do I determine that this is the position I need to be? 0.265. Do I have to just center it? I have to center it. Scale it and center it. I can't just add it as a child here. Ba-dum-blum. What if I had like, wait, hold on. I need to experiment. We must experiment here. I'm gonna have one card at the end just for backup. Bloom, 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 bloom. Hold on, let me just delete all the cards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I don't like the way that these are loading in here, so I'm gonna see if I can try and fix this. Because these are kind of fighting me. I don't want to be fighting with these. So if I load a card in here, and if I set the position to 0, why does it spawn over there? Is it because this is the top portion of that? I think it is. That's why. If I set it to middle, it would just go over there. Position exactly the same. So we need to offset this. What if the pivot offset was 0? But then this would make it... Oh no. By the way, I gotta say, pivot offset ratio is actually kind of insane. Where were you all my life? Pivot offset ratio. It's automatically just centering it for me. It's wonderful. Let's see what happens in the menu too. Hover on card hover. Am I setting the offset to something else? On card hover, boom, 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 set ease, transform scale, rotation. It's, for whatever reason, it's still growing from the middle. And I don't know why. But that's fine with me. Yeah, that's fine with me. Let me go to card. Let me see if this screws anything. Card, pivot offset ratio. Okay, I'm just gonna do pivot offset. We could, if I really want it to be in the middle, I'll just do 0.5 over here. 0.5, 0.5. Right? And that should solve any issues that this thing has. So this will now be the default. Yeah. You are going to be zeros. I'm going to change this to 0 also. I don't know if this is the best idea, but like... Bloom. So that's fine. So when I load these in, I could just change the pivot offset to 0.5. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I should do here. 0.5. I think no matter what, the pivot offset should stay in the middle like that. But now I don't have to fudge around with position or anything. I just set the pivot offset ratio. Okay, cool. As for the slots, custom minimum size. Minimum. So this is essentially 207. That's what you are. You're 207. As for this, 140. Is that what you are? No. 139.5. I wanna round these things in. $40.5. Wait, what was it? It was 140.495. 140.5. 207. Okay. That feels about right. I think we're good. Okay. So we have a grid left and a grid right. The grid left will always be the same. So now what I could do is I could load these into a thing over here. So we'll have slot cards. I can have an array of slots, essentially. These will always be loaded, but the cards will not. That way I can just, like, you know, have an easier time. Let's see if it tracks. Does it track? It looks like it's tracking. Okay. Oops. Technically, I don't have to do that. Right? Technically, we don't have to do that. Technically, we could just make the slots as we go. That looks a little bit off, though. That is looking a little bit off. It doesn't help that the background is like the same. Hold on, I'm gonna change the texture here a little bit. Let's do this. You made the sponge. It looks so cute. Oh my god, it's SpongeBob. It is SpongeBob. It is cute. Let me change the self-modulate on this guy, just so I know what I'm looking at, you know? Just so I could see the disparity a little bit. Okay. There is some disparity here, and it's slowly growing from this. B separation will do like 24 question mark? $25. Okay. That's a nice little middle point. Middle. Yep. That feels right. All right. The wish list. Good job, Dex. I always forget this. I don't know why I always forget it. Okay. Cool. I think that feels right. What I'm doing right now is I'm prepping so we can load different cards in here. And then I can just define the number of pages there are. Beautiful. And then it'll feel like a book, you know? Okay. I think this is all good now. So now the last thing is the slot. I probably don't need all these settings. Why'd that slide it all the way to the end? Shrink center, shrink center. Position is -1 when I do shrink center. Oh, it's just because I don't have the right thing in here. Okay. I don't have the right size. That's why. Let's get the right size. Sure. Sure, yeah. Okay, so margin container. Let's do margin right. 40, I think. 40. Make sure it fits in there. Yep. Margin top needs to chill a little bit. 35. Margin boo. Is star location going to be okay with longer names? I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll know once we get there, I think. It's probably not the final card anyway, but it's probably getting close. Those are my thoughts. Okay. Oh, those are looking snug. Okay, but not that one. Okay, the tops are not doing too hot. Small adjustments. Let's do theme V separation. Let's do like 24 or 20. Wait, why is more V separation? That didn't make any sense. Okay, stop. That doesn't make any sense, but it's fine. Maybe it doesn't make sense, I'm just dumb. Like a little bit of V separation should actually... V separation's on 4 right now, and then it pushes them like a lot, which is kind of insane to me. Is it insane though? There we go. When you launch your game and you're a gazillionaire, will you celebrate by letting me invite you to Deadlock? You know what? If I am a gazillionaire, then sure, I'll play Deadlock. I'll have the time to play it. I will play it. I'll be the best Deadlock player you've ever seen. By far. By far. Bum, 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 bum. With 300 ping. That's true. I'm gonna be the best, but I'm also gonna have a 300 ping problem. So it's like no matter how good you get, you're ping capped. It's like I used to play League of Legends with like 200 ping, and let me tell you, I can see myself dying before it happened. I was like, I'm not gonna get out of this because there's no way I'm gonna dodge this bullshit that's about to happen. I press the dodge. I see the skill coming. I'm still waiting for it to dodge. I'm still waiting for it to dodge. The skill is coming. It's coming closer. It's still not moving. It's still not dodging. It's still not dodging. The skill's coming even closer, and then I die. I clicked to dodge like a bajillion years ago, and it just never happened. You ever seen the future kind? Listen, my characters just live in the past. They just couldn't come to reality and see it for what it was. It was ridiculous. I hated it. The ping was insane. Like you need good ping to play those games. There's no other way around it. And I get it. Like they do it because anti-cheat. Like there's only so much you could do about that, right? Because you can't register things client side. Sure. You also can't see what people are gonna do until it actually hits the server and then gets replicated over to you. Sure. But man, oh man, did it screw you. It's a friggin' rush though. You see yourself about to die and just, you don't know, like you can dodge a skill, but you don't know if your character is gonna react in time to dodge a skill. I'll send you a drone with an Ethernet cable plugging it in my house. It's gonna have to be a lengthy cord, my dude. It's gonna have to be slightly lengthy. We'll just need quantum communications. I mean, like, does that even help anything? I think our issue is the speed of light right now. It's too slow. It's too slow to connect me to the right servers. We need to get something faster than the speed of light. Just so I can play League of Legends with like less than 100 ping from Korea. I can tell you right now though, like occasionally the ping drops like 170, going from like 210 to like 170 was a night and day difference. Like it was insane how much of a difference was. The quantum communication is faster than light. Now that you mention it, that's kind of true, right? Because they communicate instantaneously no matter where they are, right? That's kind of how it works. Never mind. Yeah, you're right. The quantum communication. That's what we need as our new internet provider. Quantum Link. You gonna make this so we can play Deadlock? You should make it so we can play Deadlock. Not for anything else, of course, but just only so we can play Deadlock. I'm down to clown. Boo, 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 boo. I'm like messing all these up right now just so that I could. Center. You're a center. This is fine. Yeah. I think ideally I'd want to shrink this to like I might make the book a little bit bigger if anything. It looks like it could scale up a tiny bit and it should be fine. I'll need to figure this out though first. Let's get these guys going. So, hilarious though. Listen, if I had a lot of time, I'd probably play Deadlock. I had a lot of time to like do things that were like, you know, not working. Gotta make some cash money though. We're out of a job and we're on the clock. There's only so long we could be doing this for. If money was not a problem though, like I wouldn't give a shit. I could work at my own pace then. I wouldn't have to rush things. I gotta say, I'm kind of enjoying just making this too, though. I've been enjoying just doing the game dev stuff. It's been fun. It's been pretty fun. This is my HBox container. Okay. A margin container on the top. Damn. Oh, okay, there it is. This messes with the margin container on the other side too. Maybe I shouldn't have a margin container adhering to both of these. That's probably not the best idea. Oh, but now I do see it. Okay, margin left. 35. Margin boo. Margin boo coming in hot. 0.265. This is supposed to be bigger. Boom, boom. If I lower this, then it's gonna stack them, right? Oh, no. 140. Zero, zero. What is it getting the size from? What's going on? Wait. Oh, yeah. No? Where is this getting a size from? I'm so confused right now. Stop. This is clearly getting a size from somewhere. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna shrink it back. I could turn off the custom minimum size on here. No, we could reset that. They confused the heck out of me as well. Yeah, and they also changed stuff up just recently too, so it's like... It's like, there's more flexibility, but I'm also just slightly more confused again. Just slightly more confused. I feel like I'm dealing with the default shape right now for the control. And it's fine with this, which I'm not used to. But alright. Okay. Let's do 0, 0. Pivot offset ratio. We'll just set that to 0. Now there's more places where the size can be changed. Crying. To be fair, it helps. It does help though. Like they added some stuff that made doing things like this a little bit easier. Like, I could just change the offset transform now to grow the size. To be fair, I win. God damn it. Don't let him win. You know, 1 hour, guys. Don't let him win. Like, we got this. And I think I'm using the offset transform, which is the new feature, to easily do this. It works miraculously. Like, it's so nice. So clean. It's okay. I'm a loser by default. God damn. God damn. That came across a little differently. Gamer, I feel almost like you have to give Ivy the next one now. Just coming in like, yeah, I'm a loser by default. Yeah, you know. You know. 43, 44. Okay, we got something, we got something. 45. Come on. There we go. 46. How you looking? How you looking, baby? All right. The right side. The right side needs a little bit of love. Which means we'll do the grid left. H separation is going to be like 27. Wait, no, I'm doing the wrong thing. I need to do margin. Okay, margin. Margin left. 37. Ooh. Dreaded by the ads. AFK to hydrate. There are no gimmies in life. We fight to the death in our Ivy. Ooh. We fight to the death. Oh shit. Them's fighting words. Them's fighting words. Them's be fighting words. Okay. I feel like we're almost there. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Like, there's no way this is it, right? I feel like I'm fudging this all up. And it's like, why are you being an idiot? Just do the thing and do it well. And then you won't have any issues. Clearly. I don't want to die, you win. You can't give up that easily. He's battling you to a game of dice in an hour. You destroy him with those dice. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. A game of dice. I think we're good. No. Okay. We've margined out. We've margined out. All right. Let's. We got a little space on top. A little space on top. A little less space on top. I hate this. Can we just not do this? Oh my god. A little space on top, a little space on top, no space on top. Okay. Fine. 46. This will go back, and then this one is gonna be like 25. There we go, 25. Yeah. I think we've done the thing. And the thing feels good. And I don't even have to do anything with this now. Do, 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 do. Oh, you guys are rolling. You guys are rolling. Of course, Gamer would roll a 13, a 19 on his first roll. I said a 13. 4. Rigged. Wait. I've never been out losered so hard. He re-rolled 4 die of 20s. 51 is fairly high though, considering all things, yeah? It's more than half. On average, you rolled more than 10. Alright. You guys ready for a roll? Listen, it was a 1 in 69 chance, alright? It was a 1 in 69 chance. Who can get the 69? Who can get the 69? I don't know. Roll 1, D69. Okay. I mean, it's a 1 in 69 chance. You can roll a D2, but now, how does a D1 work? A smart people questions. How does that? I don't know. You're just. What would that even be? A one-dimensional die. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Made you think, though. A little bit, yeah. Wait, he rolled the 60. No, yeah, yes, he. I just realized what he did. He cheated the system. He rolled 69 dies of 1. He big brained it. That's true. I didn't see that he did that. God damn it. You're not allowed, okay? You're not allowed, redo. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Nothing stopped me, that's true. No friction. Everything looks like it's in the right position now. Kind of. Okay. So we are good here. Let me empty out all these cards. I think these slots are just like very generic, actually. I think I should be able to just throw them in here. I could be wrong. Just gonna delete these for now. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boo-doo-doo-doo. This should not be happening though. This should do that, and then this one should also do that. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, and now it's acting funny. Oh, do I now need to do the minimum size? God damn it. All right, fine. Boom, 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 ba-da-da-dum-doo-doo. Slot. I'm just gonna delete this one. This one's gonna be slot 1. So technically, I do need to do these min-size things. Okay, cool, got it. Okay, cool. Roll 2 die of 35. Yeah, good luck with that. I'll take forever. Or you could roll 35 die of 2. And I feel like this would be a relatively low chance of you getting it anyway, because that you would need to roll a lot of goddamn 2s. And a single 1? You'd need to roll 68 2s. It's very unlikely. Like if you can get a 69 with that, you're probably winner of the year. Or winner of a lifetime. Because there's no way you're getting 69 with that. There's no way. You have to run that like a bajillion times. You could probably calculate the probability of that. The probability is probably like something astronomical. That's probably something astronomical. Okay, so the size is going to be the size of the card that is shrunk. Or 140.5. I'll just delete these, that's fine. Yeah, we'll just keep these here. That's fine. We'll delete the cards. Just gonna keep the last one as a reference. Let's do. Okay. Boo doo doo. I could probably just leave these in here. So I'm not gonna make these slots every single time we generate the scene because screw that shit. I need something I can edit in real time. I'll be nomical. Astronomical. Boom, boom. Okay. Astronomical. Doom, 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 doom. So we could do the left and the right. Slots. So let's go to the script. Let's go to menu 2. I'm gonna do this in a sloppy way. Bar slots. You're a slot. Okay, unready. Setup card. So I don't need to call this anymore. Okay, so left get children, so we can say slots dot add append control. That's it. And then the index will just be the it'll just be the thingy, you know? It'll be the thingy. The thingy of the thingy. A manager. So decoration database will have our bar. This will be the, what is it called? The card manifest? Card manifest. Okay. There we go. Card manifest equals card manifest dot stop. Card manifest dot new. Right, and then this on init will make it all init. I think these scenes get ready before anything else in the game, so bloom. So we'll have paging var page int equals 1 var max pages is going to be int of what are we going to have? We're going to have 150 times divided by 18. So I'll just put number of cards equals 150. And then I'll have var cards per page is going to be an int, which is 18. And that's this math. Stop. Number of, okay, fine. Be that way. Screw you. Max pages equals number of cards divided by cards per page. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we'll append all the controls. Get all those bad boys together. I'm just gonna comment this one out. And now what we do is game manager dot card manifest game manager. Oh, that's a thing. It's a thing. I don't know why it's not loading. Card manifest dot all card data, all card info. That's what I'm going for. I think this is just a range, right? They're about to battle Queenie. Yeah, it's just an array. Cool. Which we would want to just grab, I guess, based on index. Get range. Okay. So let's just do a get range. So let's say load, well, we're gonna call a function called load page. Func load page, right? And then this is gonna take a page number as the thing. Page equals page, yeah? Yang, yang. Okay. Yang. Load page. Page. Okay. I could just do this too. Okay. Load pages. Oh, we're gonna load page 1. I'm also gonna rename page to current page. Current page with 2 A's because we're badass at like that. But we're also not. So can you not? All right. Cool. All right, load page. We'll load page 1. So we'll set the current page, and then we'll say we'll do a little math. So we'll have to get game manager for we'll say card number. Card number int in range. Starts from B, increases that by 1, and stops before N. Okay. So we'll have to do current page. So in this situation, it would be the... So we pass in 1. Current page is 1. Current page times what would be times? This would be 1. On page 2, we have to start on 19. Okay, I'm gonna make another variable, ID to start. Because we're gonna have to increment on this. ID to start is gonna be current page. So let's say 1, we start on. It's not ID, it's index. But hold on, I'll be right back. All right, paging. Let's whoop your ass. So the starting ID, starting index is gonna be. Let's think. This is page. What happens if I do page times cards per page, right? Page maybe -1. So for page 1, this will be 0. Page 2, this will be 18. Which sounds right. Starting index, and then this will be the ending index. It'll be starting index plus cards per page. That's it. We'll do game manager dot card manifest dot all card info card number. If I need to change this to the actual IDs later, it'll still be easy. I could just add like +1 on the starting index. And it'll magically be an ID. Card info. Okay. So now we're dealing with the I have to do slot index. Var slot index. Var slot index is gonna equal to card number modulo cards per page. And then this will just tell me the index I need to plug it in at. Yeah? I think that's right. I think that's right. So I'll say slots dot add child. Slots, boom. I think I need to instantiate a card as well. I need a card scene. I need a card scene. Yeah, pull that over. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, not in there. Menu 2. We're in menu 2 right now, okay? Menu 2. Best name ever, by the way. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Card. Rules card. Instantiate. Yes. Card.load. It doesn't know what type this is. This is card. Okay. Card.load info. Card info. Or maybe the card info itself, card info. Maybe this could have a build thing for the scene. That might make sense. I could build cards out of this. That'd be super easy, but maybe not. I don't know. Bloom, bloom, bloom. Load info, card info, slots. 0. Add child. Card. Set up card. Slot index. Page is not declared. You're not declared. Okay. Cool. Load page 1. So page 1 should be loaded. I'm sure there's plenty wrong. Out of bounds, index 13. You're out of bounds, all right? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Card info. Oh, card info. Oh. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do, let's go to, whoa, stop. Okay, let's go to card manifest. So this is gonna have to actually be a card lookup is gonna be a dictionary of int card info, right? Card lookup dot append. Oh, card lookup at int. This is gonna be card card info dot id, and then card info. Yes. Oops. Equals card info dot. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. Card lookup. We're gonna have to do the lookup. We need to use a dictionary. Bum blam blam blam. Ritu. Card instantiate, load info. See the barrel rolling really high all the time? I mean, it makes sense, right? Because, like, if you roll 35, like, your baseline is 35. That's the lowest you can roll is a 35. And the highest you can roll is a 70. So it only makes sense that you're kind of somewhere in between. Though 60 is pretty high. Like the true middle is like 17, so the true middle is around 52. 60 was kind of high. So you might see like mid 50s a lot. Yeah. Speaking of 52, that's probably the most common when you roll. Wait, what? Wait. How did Mita roll a 0 with it? What's going on? Wait, I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm really, really, really confused. Did the music finish? The music finished. Wait, how you roll a 0? Was there a space in there? There might have been a space. There might have been a space. That's so weird. You put a dot in there and then it rolled 0. Yeah, there was a space. It was a space. Yeah, the space did it. You guys are not getting 69 of it. I'll just tell you that right now. It's not gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. You could try your whole life and you'll probably never get it. You'll probably never get it. Paging is almost complete. Current page. Starting index. Times this, right? And then we'll do starting index plus 1. That's it. Boom, bloom, 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 bloom. And then we'll do our card info. If game manager dot card manifest that card lookup that has card number. Then we'll just continue. card manifest card lookup. There we go. So now we're good. Paging. Well, the card's gonna be busted up. They're gonna be huge, yeah. But they should load now. And it's a bunch of Cocos, which is not what I was expecting, but all right. Card at scale equals 0.265 times vector 2, that one. All right, so this will do that. The position, okay, cool. R.offset ratio, offset pivot equals vector 2.0. Then I need to set the minimum size. R.minimum. Actually, wait, does that really need? Blum, 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 blum. You love how I write code, it looks easy to bug. I would wish. I'm struggling right now, though. I'm struggling, okay? You're not seeing the struggle. Bloom, 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 bloom. Okay, window. The funny thing is that you say that, and this is the one class that's just like slop. This is my slop class right now because I just kind of threw everything together real quick. Threw everything together real quick. It's probably one of my sloppier ones. The manager is also pretty sloppy, but that's neither here nor there. It is everywhere. Where are these located in the scene? Oh, change the remote. There we go. Okay, tell me what your major malfunction is. Blum, blum, blum. Blum, 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 blum. So the minimum size needs to be like this times 0.265, yes? I think that's what it needs to be. Card dot minimum custom minimum size equals card dot scale times card dot size. Okay. This is getting all. You don't want to see my arena code close. Oh god. Yeah, I did the one file stuff when I was back in college. I was like, I don't like this. I don't like this. I do a lot of shit today still too though, but like bloom. It's not loading in the right spots. Also, remote debug. Blam, 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 blam. Where's the, okay, debug. I need some debug settings, debugger. Auto switch, there you go, to remote scene tree. That's what I want. Perfect. Blum, 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 blum. Okay, so this adds in. Oh, they're being added in the right spots though. That's cool. That's cool. They are being loaded in the right spots. Well, no, they're not. They're slightly off. This one should be loading in 1, 4. I'm off by 1, but it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. That'll be fixed. Custom minimum size.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus. SpongeBob, no! No! Who let SpongeBob out? Reginaldo, how dare you? How dare you let him out? How dare you? You've released him out from his cage. We need to put him back in there. How you doing? I'm doing good. Just writing some paging right now for this so I could load up the pages. And of course I'm busting something up as usual. You know how it is. 265 size. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. It's just so cursed. Add an archive page so you can see what characters are available. Oh, okay, cool. That is cool. He promised the Krabby Patty secret formula didn't resist. Yeah, he's just on crack. Welcome. This stream is officially cursed. SpongeBob is here to curse us all. SpongeBob is here to curse us all. And he's not going to hold back. Bum, blum, blum. Ba-dum, blum. So size is determined by what now? Okay, so we have scale, position, scale, position. Is set by the cold never bothered me anyway. Pivot offset ratio. Your pivot offset ratio. Card dot pivot. Zero. No. Why are you so cursed? I think he needs to go see a doctor. There's something wrong with him. There is clearly something wrong with him. Clearly. Okay, why is the position over there? Card dot position equals position dot or equals vector2.0. Like, this is all getting busted up, man. It's all getting busted up, man. There we go. Nice. That was it. We've solved the issue. Cool. Now we can delete this last card in here. I kind of want to keep it in there. I'm going to clear the slots at the end just in case. I just want to delete that. Load page 1, let's do... For child control in... For child... I'm just going to say in control... That children... Get children... Actually, I'm gonna do it over here. For child in control slots. Slots that get children. Slots. No, I can just do it over here. Screw it. We're gonna keep this nice and messy. All right. Stop. Stop. And then we'll say child.queueFree. There we go. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So make sure we clear them out. Fix our index off by 1. Saw beta feature some AI in it. was that about? We got some AI coming in the house. Yep. Yeah, that's the yeah, Mita, looks like Mita coded that one up. It's like computer AI, not like the AI, you know? All right, let's fix our off by one error and then fix the loading cards. Current page, so starting index is... Why? Why you like this? Why you like this, Spongy? You have some major issues. Do 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 do. Boom bloom 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 bloom. Oh, this is index minus. This is index minus 1. This is the issue. Okay, there we go. Fix the off by 1 error. Nice. Now, why is it loading the wrong cards? The bunny card came out pretty cute. Oh, shit. Oh, it did. I love it. And it's sweet, I can tell. It's sweet. All right, wait, hold on. Isn't it be so easy to add these cards now? It's actually gonna be insane. Hold on. Let me just... Let me see why this is not loading the correct shit. Oh, no. No. Bad SpongeBob. Bad. Bad SpongeBob. Don't you dare. Okay, let me look at the manifest. Let me just check to see what's going on there. Game manager, card manifest. So we have card lookup. This one's Maya he, Maya who, Maya ha, Maya ha. Boom 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 boom. Okay, wait, why is this? Okay, why are you like this though? Why are you like this? Card. Do I not save the card info? Let's go to the card code. Card info. Load info data, card info. I don't. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to change that. Jesus. Jesus, Sponge. Sponge.
hectare 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 you haha hectare hehehaha uhuhuhehehe.
Why is she saying my dad's name? Chill. 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 Card info equals data. So we're not loading info. Card manifest, card tester. Let's get that out of here. We'll go to what we're working on. We're working on menu 2, right? Menu 2. This is the one. Okay. Load info. Card that load info. It loads the info. We set up the card. Add child card. If not data or not node is ready, return. Oh, that's why. if card info, load info, card info. Okay, this is why. I'm just kidding, it's not why. If not data, it will return. Okay, d/not. If not card is ready, boom. Okay, now we're good. Perfect. This is all busted up, but it's fine. So we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. We'll get somewhere, boy. We're going off card data. We're not doing card data anymore. So that's not screwing things up. Load info. I love using magic numbers in my code. Now I'm the one who's suffering. Way of life. You've chosen it. Now revel in the shit. Do you need a new diaper? You need a new diaper to deal with all the shit. I certainly do. Bum, 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 bum. So that's not doing the right thing either, which is fine. Resource file not found. Bunny. Yeah. Okay. God damn it. So when I click the card, it needs to... I need to do like a card setup or some bullshit. Boom, boom. All right, so when I do set up equip card, dun, 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 dun. Where is it called? You. New card equals equip card. Build card data. Card info. Card.build. Static func build info. Card data. This one should be info. Card info. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just do this one. We're just gonna, you know, I don't know why that was like that. That was kind of weird. Card info. Card info. Card data. Whoops. My bad. Oh, shit. Card data. Okay. Card info. All right. I do need to rename this so that it's like it's an underscore. Yes. Because I forget to do this. And now something else is gonna break because I renamed. Where did it break? Where'd you break? Boom, boom. There you are. Cool. Which is where I expect you to break because you should be card info. You're not supposed to access these things, but we do it. We do it anyway because we're a legend. Okay? We're a legend. Now, my question is, why are these doing this? Oh, I know why. Why is it like this, though? Like, these are linked. They're all linked. The style boxes are linked. They need to be unique. It's the skill box. The skill box is actually like... I think it's the skill box, right? Let's take a look. Blah, 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 blah. That's so nuts though. Look at them all change. It's updating all of them. Yeah, it's just the skill box. Okay, skill box. Oh wait, did this actually do the right thing though? It did. Cool. I'm getting the right cards. So we're loading the right thing now. But then when we load the card info, skill box, we do the override skill box. Okay. Add override. Override. Override style box dot link. Unique. Unreference. No, I'm not gonna unreference that. Godot programmatically unlink resources. You need to call duplicate. Is that what we do? I don't know. I don't know. This is the one you sent me. This is the playlist you sent me. 25 minutes in. It's the Pokemon one. Bling. Bum, bum. Okay, we're more getting there now. These are all updating. Huggies. The diaper brand. The diaper brand. There we go. Think we're good now. Yes. Dex, we're about to have a book. Holy shit. Look at this. The book is growing. The book is growing. Let me get the... You got me a sponge. And a buddy. Let's do it. Redo one. Oh, never mind. Gamer didn't even win. He's talking shit. He didn't even win. Card TXT. Card data. Bunny's in here. Okay, so all I need to do is just drag Bunny and drop Bunny, and Bunny should just be there. Sponge bun. All right. Or sponge bun. This is gonna be the database, I guess. Card database. First one, it was just like infos on to-dos. Theory crafting. Card database. Sponge bun. All right, you're gonna be savory. The sponge is savory because it's full of juices. I don't know how that'll work for the length, but all right, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Just copy the new one over. Sponge bun. Sure. So Sponge Bun is in there and Bunny is in there. I need to do changing pages now is the only thing. But like these should all be in here now. Look, Bunny's here. Bunny. Oh my god, Bunny is so cute. Like, oh my god. It's so easy to add cards now. it's really easy to add cards now. I don't have to set up shit. Nothing. All right, I'm gonna make a label. Label, which is gonna say with the page run. Page. I'm actually gonna make a HBox container. Drop this into your page. Duplicate this, boom, and then this is page number. There's gonna be a label, boom. This unique name. Bam, bam, boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. This is the card. Okay. Card manifest. This is menu 2? This is menu 2. Oh shit. Menu 2 is relatively small. Unready var. Page number. Label. It's label, which equals page number. Should have consistent naming for this, but you know how I am. Let's have a unready var previous button. Button is a button which equals. Do I not have these set up? These buttons. You. Previous page button. Next page button. No! I pressed escape. Page button. Okay. Save that. Previous. Just gonna quit. On my LSP. You come back to me, okay? We talk when you're ready. Previous page button. Prev. Next. Prev. Next page button. Okay. Cool. When that pressed, that connect. This will be the funk. Stop. I'm just gonna go next page. Funk. Go previous page. Pass. Funk. Go next page. Pass. All right. 12,000 elo? Alright, I wasn't even running the game in the background. I messed up. Man, I'm just falling off. I'm falling off. Okay? We're falling off. We're just falling off. If current page is equal to 1, then we'll just return. Same thing with this one. If current page is equal to max page, we'll just return. Okay, then we go next page, then we load page. Load page. Load page, this will be current page plus 1. Yeah. These technically don't need functions, but I'm just... Oh, this one needs to be plus. Whoops. What am I doing? This one needs to be minus. Okay. Cool. So now the... Page number label.text equals page. Current page. Okay. Bloom, bloom. Page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, so it's only replacing them. Cool. Where's cat bun? Meow. If I have steroids, I still most likely lose to Coco, who is 20 levels behind me if I have elemental weakness. That's true. Steroids and death save. That's right. You can't stand against my booba, okay? You may have nerfed the elemental, but my character stat maxes strength and elemental damage. It's perfect against Redo's characters. You just can't beat me. Oh, maybe it wasn't included. For card and slots that card and slots. For slot and slots. This is a control. For card in slot that get children. gonna say control. All right. It will say card dot queue free. Okay. And then we'll have a good day. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So welcome to your new book. We're loading up all of your favorite cards. All of your favorite cards. Look at that. The whole collection. Just now. Just made the update. Dex, we got it. We got all of it. I don't know if you're here, but we got all of it now. The book is working. They look so good. Yeah, they look really good, actually. Okay, so might need to label the... Ooh. Yeah, so fast. It's just paging. It's just paging, you know? These cards look great. They actually look so good. Ding, ding, ding. So now this would be like... Can you imagine a virtual World Cup and Bun inspired album? No, I cannot, because I don't watch the World Cup. I do not. I cannot. Though I can imagine Bun inspired anime things, because I'm a weeb. That's some kind of sports ball? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm kind of saying. So when does the battlegrounds... Hey, right? I'm kind of thinking that this could be something fun to work on. We could make a battlegrounds-esque kind of game, yeah? Yeah, add your cards to my collection under the Click-A-Bao title. There goes all my dreams for Abundance Filed World Cup out. Listen, I don't know any... I know, like... Ronaldo, and that's it. And I know I'm saying his name wrong. Blum, 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 blum. But the pages all work. We're loading up everything, which is awesome. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 13, 14. So there should be 14. Yep, and there are indeed 14. And add it. What about Messi? Sacrilege. There you go. There's also Messi. There you go. I know I was missing. I was missing one guy. You know. I was missing one. Shows you how much I know. But anyway, like this is awesome now because all we need to do is add a row here. Just include the ID, the name, the type, the rarity, flavor text. And you don't need to worry about the skill, but like Dex, if you wanted to add stuff in here as well, just feel free. The IDs just increment by 3 is the way I have it. Goblin. It's Goblin. Holy shit. Despondito. 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 King bun. All your favorite buns. All in one spot. Can we have a Giga Chad bun? Can we have a Giga Chad bun? We need a Giga Chad bun. You're thinking Bandito, not Despacito, but I mean like Despacito's where it's at. Papa Mama bun, King bun. Chad bun. Ah. What's tung 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 sa? I don't even know what that is. What is that? Do, 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 do. Bunny is done. I don't need to do code anymore.
Tong 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 sa. And
Oh god. He's back. The Byret. We have bitter. Bitter. We should probably keep track of all these things too. Bunzilla, 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 and Bunzuki.
no, hem.
Dex is pumping these out super quick though. Okay. Cool. So now we actually have a bunch of buns to work with. I need to tie this into the game now.
Bombardero, crocodile, trollero, trippy, troppy, berber, padap, and lero, the chimpanzee, benny.
Oh god, that's the that's the AI slop song, isn't it?
SpongeBob. Ooh.
I think you broke it. I think you might have broken it a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, does it not do the rotations? Oh shit, I might have messed up. Oh no, it does. It does. We're good. We're good.
Bombardiro, crocodilo, tralalero, chalala, trippy, troppy, BRR, patapim, larilai, larila, chimpanzini, bananini.
Why you guys have to be this way? Why you guys have to be this way? Wait a second. Could I just be like... Boo-doom. When we go to the next page...
Trump. Ooh.
Trump, ooh. Oh. Ooh, baby. Bar loaded cards. An array of card equals this. Loaded card. Integer division. Yeah, I don't care. Floor. I want to floor this anyway. Your floor. Can we just get rid of this thing? I know. I'm doing this on purpose. Bum, 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 ba-na-na. Cards per page. Number of cards. Bum, blum, 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 blum. That's fine. I'll leave the warning in there. You're the real floor? No, you are. No, you are. That's an invitation to get stepped on. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I might add child card. Loaded cards dot slot index, I guess. I don't know, man. Loaded cards that append. Oh yeah, we could do that append that card. And this way, we load the page. We could just do, instead of this bullshit, we could just do boop 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 boop. We could do for loaded cards. Card. Whoa. Subscribe for resubscribe for 6 months. Holy shit. That's a long ass sub. That's a long ass sub. Holy shite. Thank you for the resub. Greatly appreciated. Tier 2, by the way. Holy. That was an old sub. You're an old sub. But goddamn. Yeah, it was a little bit old. You had to renew it, I guess. It tells me every month about it. Oh, I see. That's freaking ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Like, I'm trying to resubscribe for 6 months at tier 2. They've been subscribed for 7 months. Okay. So it's saying that a subscription was kicked off for 6 months, if I'm understanding it correctly. And this is your 7th month being subscribed. Damn. You've been here for 7 months already? That time moves quick. And to think, it felt like yesterday. We're doing game dev. You paid for like 3 months ago. I see. Bum bum blum 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 blum. I haven't been here for 7 months. There's no way, right? It's weird. It's weird. We're getting old. Time moves quicker. But that makes sense because we're playing Monster Hunter in the winter. That sounds about right. What do we do Monster Hunter? It feels like time definitely It's been a bit. It's been a bit. In 3 months, I would have been subscribed for 7 months. Oh, I see. Oh, that is weird. So someone could technically be like a 1 month streamer. Like they could have been streaming for 1 month. If you decide to subscribe for like a year, then it would say you've been streaming for 1 month, but this person has been subscribed for 12. That's insane. Yeah, okay, that's just a little busted. That's Twitch things, I guess. Okay, so it hasn't been 7 months. It hasn't been 7 months. Okay, thankfully time does not move that quickly then. I would have tripped out. When were we playing Monster Hunter? Wait, hold on. Well, I guess I I don't think we have a subscribe age command. Not that I know of, at least. That's hilarious, though. So it has been 7 months, though. Man, Mita's only been here for 2 weeks, too. That's insane. But Mita has become one of us. One of us. One of us. 1-800 one of us. Wait, hold on. Where's the menu? Bloom, 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 bloom. Loaded cards 6. Right. So we've busted this up. Loaded cards. Stop. Loaded cards equals empty array. Empty the array. That's it. I forgot to empty the array. So there should only be 2 loaded in here now. And then the references here, there should only be... Blah, blah, blah. I need to relabel these. Book. Grid left. Yeah, there should only be 2 in here. Right, okay, so everything is working cleanly now. And now, the next thing would be to implement saving. I got pulled into the stream by the song that is in his background. We like the chill vibes, though. I think the chill vibes help with the creative process. Like I can listen to other music, but other music is distracting. Like, especially, there's a song in the background, yes. Kind of. Here, let me lower that for you, so you can hear it even less. It's kind of high, actually. It was a little bit high, I just realized. Okay. Boom, boom. So the next stage would be to now... You've only heard the music of Coco's voice. Oh, you make me blush. Oh. Oh, you. Oh, you. Alright. Paging and loading all cards. Ooh. Push. I mean, this is accurate. This is what he sounds like when I hear him talk. Nothing wrong with that one. Boom, boom, boom. Menu 2. Let's do doobie doo what. This is do what, doobie doo what. We're gonna call this the book card binder. Card binder menu. Where you at? Menu 2. Rename. Card binder. Where is this bullshit? Card. Menu 2. There you are. There you are. Rename this bad boy. Rename. Card. Binder. Menu. Rename this. Card binder menu.gd. Yep. Card binder menu. Okay. Get rid of menu 2. Add this one. Okay. Boom. Not what I wanted to do. Let's do it again. Why? What is wrong with me? I'm just like pressing everything incorrectly. Okay. Just getting everything backwards. What's max level in Mita's game? I don't know. I usually do work in the morning, so Coco is the perfect stream for me. Oh, well, that's good. That's good. This is like we're doing public work environment, all of us. Blum, blum, blum. Taste the rainbow. Oh my god. That's cute. That's so cute. I like that one. Taste the rainbow. There we go. Rainbow. Add a new row onto the spreadsheet. Boom, boom, boom. 43. Rainbow. Savory. This one's gonna be sour. Yeah, we need some more sours. We don't have many, I think. Okay. Sweet. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. To do, not to do's. Card TXT. Slap that in there, and now we have a rainbow. Solar Cauldron, what does that do again? +1 permanent all stats, 7-day cooldown. You just get +1 all stats, I guess. Like on the main page. Taste the rainbow. Oh my god. It's so cute. Dex, it's so easy to add these now too for me. We built a good system to do it. You keep churning them out, just keep throwing them in there. Easy. All I need is a picture, and then we just need to plug in some information, and it's good to go. Oh, it doesn't reset. I think it's on the account. Oh, it's per card. So theoretically, I could just keep powering up a single card over and over and over again. It sounds kind of insane. I didn't know Q had a memes channel. I didn't know Q had a memes channel. It's insane. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Okay, so let's actually do what I set out to do today, which was this one. This one was skills and stat loading on the cards. So we need to figure out the skills and stats now. Right. So how do we do the stats? Dun, 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 dun. I feel like this should be disconnected from here. Because I don't know if these stats will change. But since we only have speed and power on the card, maybe I'm willing to... Dromamu? I'm willing to bargain. Move everything over. Boom, boom, boom. Blah, 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 blah. Actually, I don't need to move everything over. I think this should all just be like this. Boom, boom. Skill 1, skill 2, skill 3. This will be speed, power. Or I'll do the other way around. Okay. Fine. Be this way. Boom, 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 boom. Do like 1, 3. Bounce is gonna be weak, but it's gonna be fast. Blah, blah, blah. Bunking. 2. No. This is gonna be like a 5 slapper. But you're gonna be kind of slow. Coco will be the balance. Guys gonna be fast but slow. That's Bunja. Oh, Bunja should be a little like 4, 2. Bunking is like 5 and 2. 5 and 1. No, 2. Bunny. Also 1. 5. Same thing as Bows. Pirate. Robo Bow, Back from the Future. 3, 2. Magician. Power. Bean. Attack and go. He's kind of hurt. Bumbosa. Bunzilla. This one's gonna be like a 7-1. Bun Brew. This is more of a support character. Sponge Bun. Rainbow. Okay. I don't know. Anyway, these are just very arbitrary stats. Just stick in here. Boom. Updated database. Power, speed. What else did I have to put in there? Let's close that. Stat loading and skills. Okay. Let's load the stats and skills. Card manifest. Let's do card info. This one should be var card image path. Strength is going to be an int. Var speed. I feel like doing providing like the for the stats, I feel like providing like variables so you can get better cards. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep them static for now. And let's do that. Speed, strength, speed. Strength is gonna be int. Speed, int. Strength equals strength. Speed equals speed. Drink water. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under with me. Const. Hour index. I'll do one more. Speed int equals 8 equals int, which equals 9. Okay. Let's do power. Calls. power index. And then we'll do another one called speed index. Boom, 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 boom. Calls. There we go. Int, but it's string. All right, int. Yep, and we'll just do the same thing again. Yep, yep. All right, I'm sorry. We'll go over here, we'll load you up. And then when we're loading the card info, we'll change the stats now. Level 7, you're level 70? That's unbelievable.
Drink water.
No, you drink water. I already drank the water. You can't make me do it again. You can't make me do it again. Speed label.text equals data.speed. Strength label.text equals data.strength. There it is.
アンドリンクワタ
No. 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 You can't make me. Alright, they all got different stats. Sweet. They got different stats. They all got different stats. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. Undrink water. I just realized you said undrink. I also refuse. I also refuse to do that. I refuse. And we don't have a redeem for that. So it ain't gonna happen. You can undrink your water though. I'll let you do that. You have my permission. Did I send Dax any of the bun suggestions? I need to add them to the list thingy. Bungee was pretty good. A bungee jumping bun. I'm struggling to image what that would look like moving around though, you know? I'm struggling. It's a cute name. But in gameplay, I'm struggling. Because they're going to be fairly simple in gameplay. It's just going to be like the skins just moving around. Yeah? Okay, there we go. Yeah, because it kind of needs to work out on that front as well. You only think about the card art, yeah. The card art I can imagine, but like the in-game, like, not too certain. Could have a robot attached to the ceiling. It'd be like the one troll. Just coming in and bouncing on the... Just keeps diving. I was thinking of that too. That would be so ridiculous. And it's not, I don't even think it would be that hard to do. But it would just be so ridiculous. It would be so ridiculous. It would be immune to attackers, I guess. You have a bunch of bungees. Let's see. Blue. What else did I have to do? skill loading, right? Skill loading. Okay. Skill loading is a thing that needs to happen. All right, so where do we do the skills? Skill label 1, skill label 2, skill label 3. Skill label 1 equals data dot card when I'm loading the skills, how do I do it again? It doesn't load like empties into 2 and 3, right? So card data dot skills 0 skills dot get index 0. The method fails and returns null. Skill label 2 equals data dot skills dot get. I mean, there should be like a get or default, I think. There should absolutely be a get or default. Oh, whoops. I forgot to do dot text. Yep. Boop, boop, boop. Dot text. There we go. Back to editing guide. I will need your guys' opinions. All right. Well. Boom, boom. Okay. If skills data dot skills dot as else data dot skills dot get 1. Okay, and then we can do the same thing for 1. We could change this to 2. Oops. And then 2. And then this 2 could become a 3. And there we go. Blum, blum, blum. Okay, I think that kind of works, yeah. Attack invader. Okay, maybe I need to do something a little different. Card. Steel container 2. Why is this an H-box container? I don't think this needs to be an H-box container. These can come out. You guys come out. Come out of here. What is that? What is that? Get out of here. Can this be so if I delete these. Blum, blum. Blum, blum, blum. Blum, 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 blum. There we go. So what I'll do is skill label 1. And what we'll do is we'll have skills that add on to here. Where's the redeem border alignment command? It doesn't exist. You struggle. You're gonna have to struggle. Boom, boom. Boo-doo-doo. You're gonna struggle. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. What is this? Skill container? Oh, I deleted all those. All right, let me hold up. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of these two. Skill box is the thing we still need. But if data.skills.as 1, then we'll do what is the parent container here? This is the we'll rename this one to skills V-Bucks. V-Bucks. Hold on. Blum, 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 blum. Unready var skills V-Box. V-Box container equals skill V-Box. Okay. Skills V-Box dot add child skills label 1 skill label 1 that duplicate whatever dot well no d/skill. Okay. Var new skill equals this. Label? Is the label? I don't know. Okay. New skill. Boom, 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 boom. You know those videos with things out of order or disaligned? All this caused me physical pain just watching the video. Yeah, that's it. You're living it. You're living it now. And you can't go back. You know what? You're also gonna, this is gonna kill you too. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna write a loop because there are 3 items. So are you ready? Are you ready for this? I don't know if you can handle this. New skill dot text equals data dot skills dot get 1. All right, look at this. This is obviously a for loop. Obviously a for loop. But here we go. Here we go. And now we've done it. We've done it. We're not doing a for loop. We have spit on the name of for loops. And now we're not looping. We're not looping. We've done all the damage already. We've done it all. Click damage. Complicit! I'm gonna change the, hold on. I wanna test this. Click damage. Click damage. These are gonna be the new ones. Debuff enemy, debuff enemy. Boom. All right, there we go. There's no objections here. You're finished. All right, let's check out the binder. It only loads 1 skill. All right, so we have royally messed up. Where's the issue? Fine. I'm gonna make this bad on purpose now. if the size is greater than 1, if the size is greater than 2. All right? I'm just purposely making this bad now. You can't do it. You can't deal with it, can you? Yeah, this works pretty nicely. I like it. I like it. I like it and I want it. So now it's loading all the skills in. We've done the thing.
Oops, I just saw the code. 3 identical commands. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. It's a disaster. Nobody's ever seen duplication like this.
No, you haven't.
We have something called a for loop. It's legal. What you're doing, frankly, it should be ill.
Oh, he can't say the word because he'll get in trouble because he acknowledges that the word exists. The only reason he can get away with what he get away with is that he doesn't know that illegal is a thing. Compiler's probably gonna unwrap it anyway. Got him. Got him. Look, they're so cute. 2, 3. Spacing could use a little work, but everything looks solid. Everything looks solid. Everything actually looks super solid. What I could probably do too is so each skill could just doesn't for loop become go-to in assembly? Now I'm curious. That sounds like it'd be right. Yeah, it might be a go-to. But who knows how Godot is compiled? To be fair, it's probably a go-to. That is probably correct because it compiles down to what, C++? Well, the underlying code at least is referencing C++. So I think we're good, actually. I think we're actually finished with the initial setup of all this. So this is actually insane, but skills and stats loading on the cards. They're done. We've got skills and stats. Now I need to actually make the skills do things. That's a different story. All right, so let me get this menu to show up in the room. Helper menu, UID, using text path instead of res. Helper menu. All right, so this one's a little bit outdated. I'll have to get this one loading the right stuff now. It's a jump command. Go-to became jump as well. Now I know. Oh, shit. The feedback from Mita is real. All right, so this menu is probably in the trash. It had a nice little run, but now we're in with the new menu. Dex, are you there? A while back, did you pass me a I feel like you passed me an icon for the card menu. Could be wrong, but I don't know where that is. A menu button for the card menu. I feel like you might have passed me something for cards, like one that was shaped like a card. I'm not 100% sure. These buttons are a little bit big. I feel like they could be a little smaller. They feel almost intrusively big. UI. I feel like I'm on mobile or something. Or maybe I'm thinking of it. Oh yeah, maybe. Okay, cool. If they're not, then I'm just gonna do a filler for now. Helper button. Let's do choop. Bum 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 boom. Let's do binder button. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Room. So this will be the binder button now, and it should. It's absolutely broken. What did I break? Oh. Oh, that. There we go. Room. There we go. This one should do nothing, which makes sense. Blah, blah, blah. New items on Twitch page? What are you talking about? What are new items? What are new items? Oh no, the water's here. What are these new items you speak of? Blah, 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 blah. Add that. Binder. Oh wait, let's go to. Already var binder button equals binder button. Unreality. I wasn't expecting that. Hey, how you doing? Oh, widget about games you want to play again. Oh yeah, that's been there. Well, now we know who won, and now we know somebody new won. Which I think was who already won before. Which I think was who already done before. Binder button. Blum 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 blum. Blum 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 blum. Room. Add the menus, helper menu, prize menu, room edit menu, skill, tree, store menu. Okay, let's add the binder here. Card binder menu. I need to rename this one. Rename. Card. Binder. Menu. Card binder menu. Okay. There we go. What is this one? This one is an old one. This was the old rendition. Okay. Boom, bloom, bloom, bloom. So that button will open up the UI overlay, and this would be my menu. Menu. Binder. Card binder menu. Doesn't really matter, just be over here somewhere. No, don't add it as a child, add it outside there. There we go. Perfect. Okay, is this room? Okay. Unready. Bar card, binder, menu. Last name, card, binder, menu. Boom. Go back over here, card, binder, menu. It doesn't know what that is yet, but it will soon. Card, binder, menu. And then we'll go to HUD. HUG. Card binder. Binder menu. Binder button dot press dot connect. And the menu dot open menu. So we need an open menu function and a close menu. Ooh. Open menu. Visible equals true. Have a func close menu. Visible equals false. Okay, that's fine. Woo! Yeah, but I haven't updated that widget in a very long time that you were talking about, Reggie. It's been a long time. Boom. So I can open the menu, but I can't close it. That's fine. Boom. Boom, blah, 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 blah. Card. Edit mode that button press that connect room edit menu that open menu. Why do the other ones close the menu? HUD? Did I do it in the HUD? What is attempt open hamburger, attempt close hamburger, close hamburger? Oh, I see. Binder button dot press dot connect close hamburger. Okay, got it. I forgot to just throw this into the list of stuff to close the hamburger. I'm currently playing The Witcher, that's true. I am. Nice. Look at this. We're not in that scene anymore. Bloom, 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 bloom. And I need to just have a little button in that menu now. Let's add a button. Just be an X. Bloom, 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 bloom. A big X. Let's give it a min size layout. This is gonna be like jank, but I'm okay with that. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Slap it on the top right. Boom. Theme overrides just real quick. Let's give it a little bit of colors. I feel like I'm getting a little bit faster with this. Just a little bit, you know? Just a little bit. Style box, normal. Tween. Button auto tween. Slap this on there. Boom. This should auto tween now. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, cool. I could make this one a little bit red. Did the music finish? I can't believe the music
Drink
was
the water.
finished.
What? No.
Jesus, SpongeBob, you need help there? Do you need a little bit of help, Spongy boy? Do you need my help? I think you need a little help, Spongy boy. I think Spongy needs a little help. That's a double. All right. You guys are gonna make me have to pee. That's all you're doing. You're filling up the bladder. You're gonna send me. All right, music. I can't do it. The music is gone. Stop. Music, come back. Keep filling it up. There's a minute cooldown on it. Good luck. Yeah. I don't like this looking super jank, so I need it to look a little bit better. It needs to look a little bit better. Okay. Constants. Outline size 4. 8. Color. Outline color. Stop. Outline color. You're gonna be up here. Boop. There you go.
Fill him up, Squidward. Fill up his bladder.
Okay, cool. Nope. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Another redeem? God damn it. You're gonna make the cup empty. So what do you say to the people when you say the cup is half full, the cup is half empty? What about if the cup is empty? Is that just a negative thing to say, or do you say that it has the potential to be filled? It has the potential to be 100% filled. God damn it. Another one. Another one. Copy, paste, paste, and focus, paste. There we go. So now it should be consistent, and now it just pops and pops. Cool. Rename. Close button. There we go. Binder. I'm ready. Bar, close button. You can't stop me. I'm on a roll. Can't stop me. Close menu. So close button. Close button. Dot. Rest. The big thing I want to do actually is I want to connect the save system to this and then have this also influence who gets summoned inside the scenes. But I think I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow because that's a lot of work. I might do a little bit of gaming actually after this. Yeah. Because I feel like we did a lot today. Close button, close menu. I feel like we did a lot today, you know? Boop. Okay. Boop, boop. Sweet. So I can close the menu, which it's not popping up in the right spot, but that's fine. This keeps my configuration. because we are awesome like that. I set up my buttons to have wrapping input, and that component system in place of nodes kind of works. Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of good ways to do it. I feel like I'm just kind of hacking my way to success here. We figured these things out as we go, but this all works kind of nicely. I don't know. I could make a tween component. I don't think this is right, but it works. Yeah, I feel like I could probably add a component as a child of this that tweens the parent, rather than attaching the script itself to this one, because maybe this one needs to have a different script, right? But whatever. That's fine. So the next thing that I would need to work on is like actually setting up the helpers now. So they would all need to load up their little, you know, the little bun selves to be loaded into the canvas with all the right stats and stuff. I think a lot of them aren't ready anyway, so it's fine. God damn it. We do need to fix up the way that this loads as well.
Attention, everybody.
Mm-hmm.
We have a coding crime in progress.
You want to see it?
The streamer copied the same command 3 times instead of using a for loop. 3
There it
times.
is. There it is.
The evidence is overwhelming. Some
Enjoy.
people call it bad practice. I call it a federal offense against C.
All right. I think for today we are kind of done with coding. You ever use Modulo for random things? I use Modulo for paging, yeah. Over here. Wait, hold on. Is it in the card or is it in the... Oh, it's in the binder. Boom. Right there. There's my Modulo. Against C. Yes, that's right. There's a Modulo right there. Because I was like, this is an easy way to get the index that I'm trying to get, right? Because there's 18 indexes, and then I could just modulo the card number that I'm on, and then the cards per page. You actually would probably use modulo pretty often with paging. It's like one of the better places that you'd use it. Our previous button modulo account. Yeah, there are some good situations to use it. They just don't pop up too often, but like when you see it, you see it. All right, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get a little bit of a. I'm gonna drop a vote. Yeah, last time that used it and you think it was with paging, right? That makes sense. Feet, binder, menu, fully implemented. So let's do boop, 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 boop. So let me add onto the list. I'm gonna slide these over to the to-do. Next priorities I'm gonna add over here. So first priority would be save load system for binder. Okay, and then the next one would be, oops, limit max card limit, max card limit, and the next one would be load helpers from cards selected in binder menu. Okay. There we go. Drink water. Max card limit? Limit max card limit. Correct. We're going to limit the max card limit. That's exactly what we're going to do. It's exactly what we're going to do. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to be like 5 or 10. I'm not sure. Limit max card, limit limiters. Limiting the max card limiter. That's it. All right, so here are the options for what I'm considering doing. Let me close this out. So the options are either I do Deltarune because we're going to be playing this on we're going to be playing this on Monday. But maybe not. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go raw into chapter 5. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go raw. Let's do Tunic. I wanna play this one. I've been wanting to play this one for a long time. We can try this one out a little bit. All right. Give me a second though. I'm gonna. Go ahead and enjoy a little bit of Deltarune stuff. Finish it before Monday and annoy the hell out of someone. That's right. You guys enjoy your little bit of Deltarune goodness. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some food. All right. You guys ready? We're gonna change over to we're gonna end the YouTube stream. We're just gonna do that.